Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Help. In today's video, we'll be going through how to expand quadratic brackets. Quadratic brackets look something along the lines of 2x plus 1 bracket x plus 1. So when you have something with two brackets, that is quadratic brackets. So there are two main methods to expand quadratic brackets. So let me go through the first one here. So this one is called the box method. So in a box method, what you do is you literally draw a box that is split into four smaller boxes. Then you write down the first bracket on top, then write down the second bracket on the left hand side. It is very crucial you write it down on the left hand side and not every else. So you need to follow this exact format. Then what you do is you multiply this term with this one and write down here. So in this case that would be x times 2x, which would be 2x squared. Then you would multiply this term by here. That would be x times 1, which is plus x. Then you would multiply this term by here. That would be 1 times 2x, which is plus 2x. And finally, you will multiply this by this. That will give you 1 times 1, which is plus 1. Then you would just add these two terms together. But you don't really need to think of it like that. You can just write down the whole terms out, which is 2x squared plus x plus 2x plus 1. Then just add the like terms, which is 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. And that's it. That's expansion of brackets, expansion of quadratic bracket. So now let's do the same question, but with another method. So if I have to just rub this out. So rub this method out. And let me rewrite this question as in a bit bigger sense. You will understand why that is in a second. 2x plus 1 times x plus 1. So this method is much quicker than the last method, but it is more error prone. So you're more likely to make sign mistakes and many other mistakes in this method compared to the other one. So what I will suggest is learn both methods, but learn it in an accurate way. So learn to have high rate of accuracies using both methods, then use this method going forward, because this is quite shorter to do in a real test. So let me quickly go through this. What you do in this is select the first term in the first bracket, multiply by the first term in the second bracket, which is 2x times x, 2x squared. Then once again select the first term in the first bracket, multiply by the second term, which is plus 2x. Then go to the second term in the first bracket and multiply the first term in the second bracket, which is plus x. And finally multiply the second term in the first bracket by the second term in the second bracket, which is just plus 1. And once again, like last question, you will simplify the like terms, which would give you 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Exact same answer. Yeah, so it's all about seeing which one works best for you. So both methods gives you the right answer. Choose the one that you're more comfortable with. The other one, it is more visual in the sense that you draw out draw out the square and you can see what terms are multiplying each other. In here you don't really need the arrows. These arrows are not necessary. I just wanted to show the paths that you have to follow. But once you're used to this method, you can take off the arrows and just do everything in your head, which makes it much quicker with enough practice. So let's give this one more go with another example. So I have a question that says something along the lines of 2x plus 4, then let's say 3x minus 1. So using the first method, what I will do is I will draw the boards, then write down the first term on top, 2x plus 4, second term on side, 3x minus 1, multiply these two right here, which is 6x squared, multiply these two right here, plus 12x, multiply this right here, minus 2x, and finally multiply these two right here, which is minus 4. Simplify it, 6x squared, 12x, minus 2x, minus 4, which is 6x squared, plus 10x, minus 4. So that is with the first method. Now with the second method, I rewrite the whole thing. Multiply this, which is 6x squared minus 2x, multiply this and this, which is plus 12x minus 4, which gives you 6x squared plus 10x minus 4. And that's it with expansion of quadratic brackets. Hope it helped, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And of course, please click the like button and the subscription button because it would definitely help me a lot. But hope it helped, and see you in next video.